Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings and activate the developer options. So let's enter my phone and keep tapping on the build number, which may be quite confusing, but if you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our video about it. After activating, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and tap on developer options. Now let's scroll down a little bit to tap on this switcher, automatic system updates, and right now this option is active, so the device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted, so you don't have to manually update the system, but remember about restarting your device from time to time so it will have a chance to download the update and apply it. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.